In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock a contact or a phone number on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. There are two different ways how we can do so, and I'm gonna show you both of them. The first way to unblock a contact is open up Phone app, then head over to Contacts, and then just search for a contact you wanna unblock. You can just scroll down or up, and also you can use search to search for a particular user by entering their contact's name. Once you find the user you would like to unblock, just tap on it to open up its card. Then scroll down to the very bottom, and that's where you can easily find unblock this caller. If it says unblock, it definitely means that this particular user is currently blocked. So we can tap at unblock this caller and it will immediately unblock it. However, if you blocked a user that is not in your contacts book, you cannot unblock them using this method. That's why I'm gonna show you another method how we can do so, and to do that we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find Phone, and in Phone settings we can easily find blocked contacts. As you can see, it shows us users from our contacts book and just phone numbers, and we can easily unblock any user or a phone number if we swipe to the left and then hit unblock. That will immediately unblock that number. But if you want to unblock multiple numbers at once, you can tap at edit, and then you can easily hit add minus sign and then unblock, and then just keep doing the same steps, hit minus, hit unblock, to quickly unblock several users at once. Once it is done, tap at done, and basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.